Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can download and install the Zenith Bank mobile banking application. Zenith Bank is one of the strongest financial services institutions and one of the largest banks by market capitalization, shareholders fund and profitability. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Play Store application. Go to the search bar and you type in for a Zenith Bank. Tap and search. Now here at the very top you can see the application. You tap and open it. There you can see the option of install. You tap on it and wait for the application to be fully installed. As you can see, the application has been fully installed. Now you tap in open and you go in for using the banking application. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can download and install the Zenith Bank mobile banking application. Thank you.